What's going on, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I'll be showing you a Lakewood 2nd Gen S-223 box fan. I got this from a very good friend of mine, a local fan collector, in trade for another box fan. And yeah, it's got the sparkly logo. Fan's in pretty good shape. I always did love these. One of my all-time favorite fans. Alrighty folks, we will start it off on low. It's got a nice low speed. Alright, let's go to medium. Now high. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, more to come later.